Shakas, aloha crafty friends, it's Maka from Makaz Home. I'm here today to share with you a St. Patrick's Day stamp and die set I'm working on to make some greeting cards. I have I have stamped out a few of these, and this is from the Stamps of Life. It's the Leprechaun2stamp. And I've had this for a while. I've just got the chance to use it and was inspired to do so. I have, like I said, stamped it out a few times. I actually made about 9 cards. And so these are just the leftover ones that I stamped that I haven't colored. And then I stamped out a bunch of the sentiments from the stamp set and just fussy cut around them, so that I can have them ready when I make more cards in the future. So I am going to sit and color one of these. I will play some music. You guys can watch along. And then I'll be back to show you the cards that I assembled. So stay tuned. So I did use some guidance for the coloring because I'm not very good with my Copics yet. So I tried to look for images that have what color Copics they use on the internet so I can follow along. And I took my inspiration from Your Memories Canada blog spot. And this is the one here. And you see how it has the colors. So I just used whatever I had. I didn't have all these colors, but this is what I went off of. So, there you go. This is what I went off of. So, stay tuned. Okay, I want to show you something too. So with this die, if you use the shadow piece, it cuts out, you know, the shadow like that. That's the one I just colored. This one is from my stash. If you use the leprechaun himself, this is how he cuts out holes. He cuts out in holes. But yeah, so that's him. So let me get my card base. And some of the other pieces that I've cut out and colored previously. I'm going to use this sentiment, hello my friend. And then I've already done the pot of gold and some of these horseshoes. So let me get the card base. We will do a vertical card, and I just want to a vertical card, and I just want to build a grassy hill. So let me get some green scratch paper. Hopefully I have some. No green scratch paper, so I'm just going to use one of these and just roughly cut it how I want it to be. So that looks good. I am going to adhere this to the card base. So you have a choice to show the tear part or not the tear part. I'm going to go with the tear part. I could also ink up the edges to add more dimension, but I am not. Ugh. Just place it to the edge. Make sure that's adhered well. So I'm not going to use him. I'm going to put him away. And then I am going to place him here. The pot of gold next to him. This will anchor my sentiment. There you go. And something like that. So I'm going to adhere this all down and I will be back. Okay, I added the pot of gold up on some foam stickers. I'm going to raise that up a little. And I'm going to adhere the little horseshoe to the bottom of the gold pot. Yeah. Hopefully. Oh, no glue. What? Gotta get the glue going. There it is. The glue is going. So that we're gonna stick right there. And then Put some glue on the bottom of that horseshoe for the sentiment. I want it at an angle a little. Like that. And I think that's where I'm going to place it. Okay. There you go. So like I said, I mass made these. I did a whole bunch of coloring at one time, and then I assembled the cards when all the coloring was done. And the inside will be blank, and I just need to stamp my stamp on the back. So let me share with you the other ones that I've done. So I should have 10 maybe, unless I used some already. So this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, I guess I only have 9. But these are the ones, and I backed them on different card bases. And some of them I use different sentiments. Like this one, I'm feeling lucky today. Believe you are lucky. And then standard happy St. Patrick's Day. So yep. These are the 9 of my cards that I wanted to share with you guys. So hope you guys are having a crafty day. Hope you guys found this inspirational and, you know, just in time for St. Patrick's Day. If you want to follow me along on my crafty journey, like I said, hit the subscribe button below for more videos like these. See here. And until my next video, shakas!